What is going on, guys? Here we are at the GIE today. We are out at the demo area. I didn't get to spend too much time at the demo area last year, but today we're definitely going to be getting our hands dirty. So we are heading out to Truck Mate. As you guys know, I've posted a video about wanting to get a dump insert for the work truck. Now, with that being said, y'all know Mulch Mate has been talking about Truck Mate here for a while, so we're gonna be out here. We're gonna be checking out the Truck Mate because he said, hey, hold off on the dump insert. You need to see this Truck Mate. So I am going to try and find my way and make it out to where the Mulch Mate guys are, so that way I can see this Truck Mate in action. So that's what this video right here is going to be about. It's going to be about the Truck Mate. So guys, stick around, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this.
Let's go!
Of course, we are here with Nick, with Mulch Mate. Of course, you guys have been seeing on social media that he's going to be dropping some hot new products for you guys. Well, here it is. We're finally going to be taking a look at it. Anyways, Nick, how you doing, man?
Great, man. How you
been? How's it been with the Truck Mate?
Fantastic, man. A lot of hard work.
Yeah, good deal. Well, anyways, guys, we are going to be here with him for a little bit. He's going to give us a rundown on the Truck Mate, because as you guys know, we're in the market for a dump insert. Well, he said hold off on that. You might want to take a look at the Truck Mate. So we're going to let him do his thing, give him the rundown on this whole system. So the floor is yours, bud.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Alright, so here's the great thing about Truck Mate. It fits on the back of the pickup truck you already own. This gate here folds out, it's like a backdrop, so material doesn't spill over the cross conveyor system here. So on either side there's a control panel, as you can see on your side. So what you would do is you would press this button, and it runs the tarp system in, dropping the material on the cross conveyor, and it spits it out the driver's side. If you want to come over here to the passenger side, you press the same button. I haven't done anything, no switches, no sorcery. Press the button, and the conveyor belt then comes to you. So whatever side you're on is where the belt is going to shoot it to you. This is my favorite part of this system, and this is why I told you hold off. You take these gold pins, pop them out, see them right there. You just pop them out, take the bolts out, pull these two brackets off. This entire cross conveyor system pops off the system, and then you're left with just your tarping mechanism on the back of your truck that you already own. If you also notice, there's a bumper here, so I'm not asking you to replace your bumper, pull it off. There's no modification whatsoever to your truck. So, tubes here, your tarp is back inside your truck, and you can put whatever you want in there. You doing a shingle job? Put shingles in there. If you want to do mulch, rock, whatever, put it in there. Press your button. And imagine this not being here, and the tube spins and unloads your truck that fast. So now you're not adding a 900-pound steel dump insert with hydraulics and oils and hoses and right here. Simple, fast, done, 12,000-pound capacity tarp system. 12,000.
So for the guys that, alright, take for instance, like at the end of the mulch season, they can dismount this whole thing, put their truck tailgate back on. Yep. There it is.
Yeah, so what you would do is you loosen these bolts and pull these two brackets off, and then simply just, there's a hitch underneath it here, you simply pull the 5/8" pin right out like a normal hitch, and then you just take this whole system right off. And this also folds up, so you can close it. Now,
so this closes like a tailgate?
Just like a tailgate.
So no debris would fall out then?
No. I mean, this is going to have a plate here. We just have time to put it in.
Right.
But there's going to be a plate here, and then you close it, and it all stays inside the truck.
What is this ran off of?
There's actually two batteries inside of here. If you open this drawer here, you have your tool that comes with the system, a remote, and if you look all the way up inside of there, there's two AGM Deca batteries, and that's what runs the entire system. When the conveyor's on, when the conveyor comes off, there's two Anderson connectors back here. You would unplug this one, in this one and plug them in together, and then it runs the battery from your truck to power the tarp system. Sorcery.
Alrighty guys, so that is the premiere of the Truck Mate. I didn't get the chance to do a closing with Nick. There was tons of people around there. They were asking a bunch of questions, so I let him do his thing. But anyways guys, that is it for the Truck Mate. That is a game changer. That could be a game changer for the industry on smaller companies that aren't ready for the complete Mulch Mate. This Truck Mate could be something that you could implement onto your truck and bust that mulch and cleanups out. So what I will do is I will tag all of their information down in the description below. So if you want to check this product out more in depth, get some price points on it. Actually, I think the price point of the Truck Mate is around 11.5-ish, and they revealed their Cart Mate, and the Cart Mate is around like $1,800, I think. Don't quote me, but I think that's around it. But I will tag their information down in the description below, so that way you can check them out. There the contact information will be. Check them out on Instagram. They're super active on Instagram. So if you go to their YouTube channel, you will get to see this equipment in action. They're just short clip videos, but it does show you how it works in the field. So guys, be sure to check that out. So anyways, I want to thank Nick and the Mulch Mate team. Those guys are phenomenal folk. It's always a great time to catch up. Always a great time to shoot some video with them. I support them and everything they're doing. They're just great folks. So anyways guys, thank you very much for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate all of you stopping by and share some time with me. So guys, drop a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts there on the Truck Mate. Do you think you will implement that into your business for the 2020 season? I want to know down in the comments below, what are your thoughts on it? Everyone else would want to read them as well. So anyways guys, thank you very much for tuning into a video. But guys, I have to finish packing my bag. There's one there. There's some more stuff up there. We are about to be leaving for the Brian's Lawn Maintenance Launchpreneur Academy Live up in Novi, Michigan. I hope to see you all there. So as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. We will see you guys in the next one.